everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren and I'm at Be Our Guest restaurant today. I'm having breakfast and I just got my food and I'm going to show you what I got and what I'm eating and how it tastes. And let's do that, okay? All right, let's do that.
You are truly treated as a guest as you dine in the Beast Castle featured in the Disney film Beauty and the Beast. I ate breakfast here at 8 a.m., which is why I look a little tired, and I thought I would bring you with me. Treat yourself to French-inspired cuisine while taking in the elaborate atmosphere of one of the 3 themed areas, the Grand Ballroom, the West Wing, and the Castle Gallery. Now these rooms fill up fast, with a noise level to match the 550 seats, which you'll definitely notice in this video. This is why you'll need to make reservations 180 days in advance. You'll need to use a credit card to guarantee your reservation, and there's a $10 per person no-show fee if you don't show up or cancel within 24 hours. Breakfast and lunch offer quick service options. You can pre-order your meal up to 30 days ahead of time via the My Disney Experience app, or use the touchscreen terminal and order at the restaurant. For special dietary requests and cash orders, cashiers are available. After placing your order, you'll sit down and your order will be delivered to you. You'll retrieve your own silverware and fill up your own beverages. As for dinner, starting July 27th, 2018, dinner at Be Our Guest will become a signature meal option offering only a prix-fixe menu.
All right, I don't know if you can see, but this is the Feast a la Gaston. It comes with eggs, breakfast, potatoes, fruit, bacon, and sausage. Every meal comes with an assortment of pastries. I see a croissant, muffins, other pastries. And then I had to get this because it's my birthday and we're at the Beast Castle. It's the gray stuff. It's delicious. So I will tell you if it's delicious once I try it. And then I got orange juice. So there you go.
While I'm eating, I'm going to take you on a tour of the West Wing and share some more information with you. Breakfast and lunch at Be Our Guest uses 1 credit with the Disney dining plan, and dinner uses 2 credits. Also, I believe that Tables in Wonderland can be used for dinner. And here we're back in the ballroom, but I just really wanted you to see the falling snow because it's so beautiful.
The damage has been done. I couldn't eat very much because I wanted to save room for the gray stuff, which I'm about to try right now. The scrambled eggs taste like generic scrambled eggs. They're more on the not as soft side. They're not hard. They're just like you're not going to be getting wet scrambled eggs, which is what I like. I like them like more cooked. The breakfast potatoes are very, very peppery. Very peppery. And like the croissants are my favorite. I love croissants. Very buttery, very flaky, super good. Now for the gray stuff. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Kind of tastes like an Oreo. It's like a cookies and cream mousse. It's like a cookies and cream mousse. That's what it is. It's very, very good. So that wraps up my breakfast at Be Our Guest. My breakfast and the pastries were $25, and then the gray stuff was I think $4.99. So I think I paid about what? Let's look at my bill. I think I paid about $31.94 with tax. Was it worth it? I think it was. You do get the pastries for free. But I'm leaving very, very full. I couldn't even finish my meal. And you get a beautiful view. Oh my gosh, so many beautiful rooms to explore, which I showed you throughout the video. Do you think it was worth it? The food was good. Great breakfast overall. I'm very happy with it. Pretty easy to please. Would I suggest it? Yes, I would. Would I try dinner? I think I would as well. I hope you've enjoyed this breakfast review. If there are any other restaurants that you want to review for, please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.